This is me having a look at my brake caliper and the brake piston and checking it over. Right, I've just noticed the problem as to why I'm getting brake issues on this. First of all, I want to show you this. Right, so you can see what effectively looks like the brake caliper's got some white marks. What this means is the caliper's heated up to their like heat spots or signs of heat damage. So in a previous video I had a shot of the handbrake cable inside the cabin and underneath the central console. The cable or the adjuster was like that, yeah, which means so left hand side there, the cable had been pulled through to the rear left caliper, and that was normal. But the right hand side was it's like the cable had been threaded through this side, and which means that this cable on this side had been being pulled. Which means the handbrake on this side is currently still being applied even though it's off. So what you look for is, you go around the back, this shouldn't be a gap, this should be all the way up and touching that. So if I can adjust the camera, let's see. Yeah, so this shouldn't be a gap, because the whole purpose of this spring here is to push this back up there, because that's called a return spring. Right, so something around here is seized, so I'm going to have to apply some lube to that and see if I can free it up. Yeah, because the handbrake cable here is being pulled through into the cabin, so that's the next job. Right, so I think there's a major issue. So what I'm seeing is, or what's happening is, there's a lack. The mechanism isn't returning. You can see the gap. It should spring back up. Right. And I wouldn't say that the spring isn't strong enough. I'm holding on to there. I would say, if I put it that way, and then get, what I've noticed is, if I can get the phone to focus, right, so in there, Let's see if we can get better focus. Right. So you can just about see the shine off. Yeah, it's like a rubber seal. Right. Yeah, it's rubber. Right. And what's happened is this is split, big style. See if we can zoom in. Right. So that seal has split. It's cracked, it's old. The heat has got to it. There. Right. Because that is split, crap has got into the seal, and which means that the dirt and debris has got into this shaft or around the shaft, which means now it's no longer well sealed and free moving because grit is now inside there. So basically, I can't just fix the piston, I've got to replace brake caliper. So this rubber gasket there is perished. Right, so you can see there's a split there already, which is roughly there where the corner of the screwdriver is pointing to. So that doesn't help matters. The new one is all nice. check it over. Bleed it. Put a copper washer in there.